I am David Stacey. I'm the deputy director here at STARBASE in Tulsa. We're at the Tulsa Air National Guard base. We're DoD, but we partnership with the military. I have been with STARBASE for about 5.5 years, and we have we have mandated curriculum from DoD for our fifth grade. We have two fifth grade classrooms on site, and we are mandated with that as far as the curriculum. But we also have an after school program where we go into the schools or go into, normally the schools, and we have coach mentors that help us, and we serve at-risk middle school students, and that's kind of, and I've kind of been, we have deputy directors at each site now. I have been kind of over that whole program for STARBASE, but I'm just, everybody at their site, each deputy director is doing their own. But anyway, we meet every other week. We have sites in about 10 different clubs throughout the state, depending on, but anyway, we go in and do some sort of icebreaker for about 30 minutes, or team builder / icebreaker, STEM related, obviously, and we do that. Then we have like a STEM activity, because we have 10 to 12 meetings throughout the year. We have about 5 each semester. So, and it is after school. So we usually do maybe one main STEM project in first semester, and then one in the second semester. We do have, for example, at Union, we have a 6th grade club and a 7th grade club. The 7th grade club, pretty much we did all about flight this past year. Started off, just straw rockets, air rockets, seltzer rockets, and then we do the second semester, we do a couple of different Estes rocket builds. And then for graduation, we have a little celebration at the end in the spring usually. And we go outside and let the kids, they each have a couple of different rockets and they get to launch those, and parents and grandparents and family members get to come and do that. So each one kind of has a theme. There are some sites that they'll do a totally standalone project each time, but most of them do, like CO2 cars. We've done that. We did that with the 6th grade, or, just a bigger project where it usually takes one semester, 5 or 6 sessions. But anyway, yeah, so we had a club at Woodall, which is over by Tahlequah. Our administration changed, our teacher left and go somewhere else, so we haven't had that one, but we are starting a club with the Women in Energy Network, WIN, this coming year, I believe at Webster here in Tulsa. So that'll be our 3rd one. So each site has 3 or 4, and we have 3 or 4 STARBASE sites throughout the state. But the cool thing about this is, again, we're not mandated as far as curriculum on what we have to do. So kind of the sky's the limit as far as, we usually, after the last meeting in the spring, we get together with the coaches, and there's a teacher sponsor. At Union, we partnership with the Indian Ed program there. And so, but we all get together, meet, kind of go over for the next year, our schedule and what projects we'd like to do, and go from there.